Hi guys, and welcome to my Porsche 911 Carrera 3.2 Targa restoration. And this is the introduction to the little toy that I've purchased, and the kind of things that I'm planning to do to it to get it back on the road. It is a complete car. Doesn't look like the engine's ever been torn down before. However, having said that, the previous owner had a go at starting the project, so I suspect I'm going to be missing lots of screws and nuts and bolts and washers and things, so I'm going to have to take my time and get it all back together. It's not the original colour. It's currently poorly painted in Guards Red, and it should be Cassis Red Metallic, which is this salmon colour that you can see here. It's a bit of a strange colour. It's a special order colour. The wheels are, well, they're Fuchs lookalikes, but they're not original, so I need to try and source some of those. But the main issue with it is corrosion, and it's typical kidney bowls and the sills down here and underneath. And the same corrosion on this side as well. But this side seems to be a little bit worse. So it's all rotted through, so it's all going to have to come out. Nearly 97,000 miles. The interior was originally burgundy, and they've actually painted, I don't know if you can see it on the steering wheel, they painted the burgundy black, and they've done that to the whole dashboard. So there's places where it's a little bit worn and you see burgundy coming back through again. So I suspect when this is all out, I'll end up getting everything recovered. So the plan now is to start the tear down and get all the wiring out. It's a nice warm day here in Southampton, UK, so make the most of the wiring being all soft and flexible, and yeah, start pulling it apart. So I've managed to decorate the garage with various panels, and I've continued removing some internal parts, but the main thing I've done today is remove the old alarm system, which I'm very pleased about, because I kept seeing all these old wires and trying to work out what they were for, and so I managed to trace everything back, and I'm glad to say that that is no longer part of the car. And now I'm just continuing with the front fan system. I've managed to remove one part of it, but still need to get the rest of it out.